ready for your first political scandal, Mr. Future Congressman?
I love you so much.
We deserve a break.
For a week with your folks at the lake.
Roger.
Very happy to be here.
He's here! Thank you for bringing me a new toy to play with. Let's do this! Oh, yeah! It's just so good to finally meet you, you know? I always wanted a brother.
Brother-in-law. Technically, we're not even that yet.
Tell that to my heart. Welcome to Houston! It's Todd.
I've had this proposal plan.
You gotta relax. Remember, that's why we came up here, so you could bond with my family.
Her sister's boyfriend is a little...
Billy Bob wants to get from you.
Little what? Different.
We got you!
You seem upset. He's been ruining my life all week.
Look, he's skinny dipping. Good for him.
We're live. Wait, is that Todd?
Oh! Now that's news.
Nobody move. Got this guy! We're brothers now.
Roger said you're the man to show me around.
Wait, Roger said I was the man?
To show me around.
I am the man.
To show me around. I feel like there's a part of the sentence you're not listening to.
I am the man.